You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this character from Genshin Impact. If you want to learn more character names that are confusing, or at least that many mispronounced, stay tuned, I've got many more for you. It's a name from Chinese Mandarin, Yelan. Or maybe it's actually Chinese. In both cases, the pronunciation is as Yelan. Yelan. It's from Chinese, Yelan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.